Begin your day by waking up between 5 a.m. and 6 a.m. Start with a full glass of water to hydrate your body after a night's rest. Then step outside for some direct sunlight exposure to signal your internal clock. Afterward, fuel yourself with a high-protein breakfast to kickstart your energy and focus for the hours ahead. Next, take 5 to 10 minutes to sit quietly and meditate, calming your mind. If time permits, squeeze in a quick workout to invigorate your body. If you enjoy caffeine, have a cup now to boost your alertness, and then dive into a period of deep, concentrated work. Later, read a book for a while to stimulate your mind and enjoy a lunch that is rich in protein and low in refined carbohydrates. Step outside again for fresh air and sunlight to regain clarity. Make a point to connect with friends or family, even briefly, to nurture your important relationships. Engage in a creative activity you love, such as painting, playing music, or writing, to express yourself. For dinner, opt for a meal packed with protein and include some healthy, complex carbohydrates. About an hour before bed, take magnesium to relax your body and avoid all screens to minimize blue light exposure. Take a few moments to reflect on your day and set your intentions for tomorrow, perhaps paired with some gentle breath work. Finally, head to bed between 9 p.m. and 10 p.m. to fully recharge. This simple yet effective routine, practiced consistently, will transform your daily life and support your steady growth.